Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create stunning gradient lines and frames in Canva. This simple technique instantly makes your designs look more polished and professional, perfect for presentations, social media, and more. Let's get started. First, open the Elements tab on the left panel. Type lines into the search bar. Canva will show you lots of line designs to choose from. Pick one you like and drag it onto your canvas. You can resize it or change its direction by dragging the corners. Next, go back to the Elements tab and this time type frames. Frames are really versatile for highlighting text or images. Select one and drop it onto your canvas, then adjust the size to fit your layout. Now, let's make these elements pop. Click on the line or frame, then click the color icon at the top. The little palette symbol. This opens Canva's color menu. Scroll down until you see the gradient options. Gradients add depth and give a modern feel to your design. Choose one that matches your theme and apply it to your line or frame. Try experimenting with different gradient styles to see what looks best. The real magic comes from experimenting. Try combining different gradient lines with frames, adjusting colors, and mixing layouts. Don't be afraid to test multiple combinations. You'll often stumble upon creative ideas you didn't expect. And that's it. You now know how to create gradient lines and frames in Canva. It's a quick but powerful way to take your designs from basic to eye-catching. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. See you next time.